Amazon laid off 18,000 people. Google is laying off 12,000 people. Microsoft has laid off 11,000 people. These are the tech layoffs that are disturbing the entire job market these days. So we thought like 2022 recession is over. We might see fresh start to the 2023 with more job opportunities. But suddenly all the tech giants like FANG or MANG companies are laying off people. The reason why I was making this video is to give you some confidence of introducing a topic called career cushioning. Even if you are a fresher or someone who is already working in a tech company, and if you're worrying about layoffs or recession might impact your career, so you must watch this video. Even if you are a fresher or a college student who are about to graduate, please do watch this video, because no one will tell you these things. Your placement cell will not tell you these things. Your employer your future employer will not tell you these things. Even if you are someone who is already working, no one will talk about this thing, because no one likes it. So the thing is career cushioning. So career cushioning is like developing a diversified set of skills. When you are affected by layoffs or something, you will have this instant income source ready. See, it's like if you're working as a software developer, let's suppose you are a Java developer in your current company. Make sure you develop at least one other skill which is different from the thing that you're working. Let's suppose learn digital marketing, or learn content creation, or learn video editing. See, there were a plethora of skills available. Pick some high paying skills. You can find many such recent videos in my channel, or like how to pick a high paying skill, what are the demanding skills and all. Pick at least one other skill which is different from what you are currently working on. So the thing why it is important is like start earning money before you get laid off, or before you are affected by recession. Start making money using that skill. How to make money? Let's suppose you picked a skill or digital marketing or video editing. Try to freelance it. I have already made a video like how to start freelancing, how to get projects as a beginner. Start freelancing. At least like it's like even though you're making very small amount every month, let's suppose you're making 1,000 or 2,000 every month, which is very small amount, but still you have a primary job now. But the thing is, once you get laid off or once you get affected by the recession, you know how to make money using your secondary skill. That's right? Because even though it's small amount, but you know how to do that. Then using that experience, you can spend more time on it to get more projects. It's not really difficult, trust me, because like I was also doing the same thing since multiple years. Even though I was working in one field, like I tried learning multiple other skills and started making money while working for a job. So that really helped me, because that helped me to I can say build multiple income sources parallelly. This is very important these days, because you cannot trust your employer, you cannot trust jobs these days. Anything can happen, and suddenly in 1 or 2 days, like you might be out of your company with a short notice. So that is the reason why it is important to follow this thing called career cushioning. Please do take it seriously, because this is for your career. So make sure you develop at least one other skill, one diversified skill apart from what you're working. Don't just put everything into what you're doing currently. So this is something that I wanted to convey using this video. Best of luck for your job search, and please do like and share this video in network and let others know that why career cushioning is important. Also subscribe to the channel if you are a new visitor. Thank you.